Oh, baby. Oh, I'm gonna need a moment. Wow. Hi folks, Minnesota Travel Guy here. We went to Skal Restaurant and Bar on the 21st of May, 2021, and we had an awesome time. Dixie and Phil welcomed us with warm, open arms, and I'm telling you, Dixie is the out front owner of the restaurant and bar. Phil is the artist in the back of the house, and he does a great job. They have been remodeling it over the years. It is elevating itself every year from a bar with bar food to an upscale restaurant and bar. I'm going to say that. They had a very loyal customer that came over, Renola, who came and talked to me and told me just how great people Dixie and Phil are. They took care of her during some really trying times of her life. We had a great server, Mesa. Hello, Mesa. Mesa, the footage we took of you was a little bit dark, so we couldn't put a lot of that on there, but I just wanted to let you know. I wanted to shout you out because you were awesome. In truthfulness and reviews, I had to call you out on one thing. The food was great. When we got to our Rueben basket, which the Rueben was phenomenal. Their house-made corned beef is, whew, wow. But they had house-made potato chips. And I don't know if it was just a bad batch, guys, but all of mine were like rubber and soggy. And I just couldn't let it go. If you know, truthfulness and reviews, I have to tell you, it was a miss for me. The house-made potato chips were a miss. Everything else was great. And with that, let's get on to the great. When you enter, there's a wall on the left side with just a complete fireplace wall. It's beautiful. We sat in the first booth there. There's my lovely wife, Susie. Panning the restaurant here, it's just really light and bright. They've got all new flooring in there now. And the bar is beautiful, set up with a full complement of call drinks and a nice microbrewery selection on the wall. Server, she gave us a rundown on this. It's crostini, and the crostini looks perfect. Still soft in the middle, but hard on the outside. God, it smells delicious. Spicy. Okay. Having a little bit of a mouthgasm here, I'm not gonna lie. Awesome. Awesome. All right, we're trying the Dixie roll. What's in the Dixie roll? We don't know.
We do. It's
cream cheese,
crab meat,
oh yeah,
green onion and cream cheese, and a sweet chili sauce for dipping.
So it's really kind of a
rangoon.
Minnesota rangoon.
Kind of. It's really good.
Okay, gonna be too full for dinner.
I know.
Wow.
Really yummy.
So, what do we got there?
The Rueben.
Yeah, I caught you mid-bite there.
Oh my God, it's delicious.
Yeah, this is a homemade corned beef. House-made.
Yep.
Yeah. Who are you?
Hi.
Who are you, by the way?
The Minnesota Travel Wife, I guess.
What is your real name?
Susie.
Yeah, all right.
So they don't skimp on their corned beef.
No?
It's beautiful.
Let me zoom in on that, baby.
Yep, it is piled high. Lots of yummy sauerkraut.
Oh, little key lime truffle here. You gonna take a bite, Susie?
I am.
Uh-oh. Need some help?
Hard shell.
Chocolate on the outside. Oh, is it like ice cream?
No, I'm not in there yet.
Is it ice cream in the middle, or?
No.
What do you got?
Some key lime yumminess.
So what do we have here?
This is their rhubarb parfait.
Rhubarb parfait. If that doesn't say Midwest, I don't know what does. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, baby. Oh, I'm gonna need a moment. Wow. Pick one. You didn't even listen, did you?
I was videoing.
Suggest one. Suggest an appetizer.
Suggest.